We're the Baumlers. We're renovating and restoring a rundown resort in Paradise. And I gotta say, I'm glad not to be back in Canada shoveling out the driveway every morning. But this continues to be a really challenging project with an ever-expanding scope.
All right, first thing, we need mattresses. Charlotte is working with me today. We're at a stage right now where I think the kids can really get involved. Can you grab that? Is it too heavy or are you good? Oh, it's good. We need furniture out of this one villa. We need it dispersed at different villas, and we need to start unpacking stuff. I think the daybed in particular is really great for kids and families that are here using this 2-bedroom suite. I can picture my own children curling up there, reading a book on a rainy day, or just taking a little break from the sun and relaxing and playing together. So it's such a great use of that space and for barely no cost at all. This is the best way to get a bed to this island because look how little space they take up. Oh, it's already starting to go. Listen to it. So we've waited months to see some of these items, and I think for me, this is the icing on the cake. This is what has been keeping me going these last few months.
This is my bed! Then this is mine! This is the kids' room. Sorry.
Sorry. Bed.
Sorry.
You guys can have a kids' room. Go to it.
Gotta get my shoes off.
I feel relieved everything will be okay. I'm moving on to getting the mattress at least in place in the bedroom.
We're almost ready in here.
We're getting close, Adam. We're getting close.
Can't wait to sleep in that king bed.
This is when she goes.
Oh, she's free. Let her be born.
And Daddy
Here,
probably
you can go jump on the mattress. Look.
No.
You should try it out. You should try it out.
Off the mattress. Off. Hey, monkey, no jumping on the bed. No. You do